Okay, the first panel we can see in here, AB Create panel. You can actually click this here, little dots, and you can push them upside. And also you can click them first panel. The panel is named AB Create, the creating, just like adding objects in here. And it's all the same in here to same as, okay, so many people just like making Shift A to works with their actually objects like this. And this one is just like a panel type because I'm just like working with panels like 3D Max and also SketchUp to actually reach them out like this. So you can actually pressing these buttons to create perfectly with working just like Shift A to like this functionality. It's the same. It's all same. And you can just like use in here, adding mesh type in here, plane, cube, or actually different kind of objects. And like that. Okay, the next one is actually meshed curve for another objects you can reach them out.